Salvias are more than just pretty faces in the garden. Sure, their vibrant blooms are a sight to behold, with colors ranging from deep purples and blues to fiery reds and oranges. But these beauties are also surprisingly tough and low maintenance, making them a perfect choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. They're the kind of plant that just keeps on giving, rewarding you with a spectacular show from late spring until the first frost, ensuring your garden remains vibrant for most of the year. One of the things I love most about salvias is their ability to attract pollinators, which are essential for a healthy garden ecosystem. Bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds can't resist their nectar-rich flowers, turning your garden into a lively haven for these creatures. Planting salvias is like rolling out the welcome mat for these beneficial creatures, bringing your garden to life with a symphony of buzzing wings and fluttering petals, creating a dynamic and interactive space. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's a salvia out there for you, with countless varieties to choose from. From compact varieties perfect for pots and borders, ideal for small spaces or container gardening, to towering beauties that add architectural drama to the back of the border, the options are endless, allowing you to create layers and depth in your garden design. So why not invite these vibrant bloomers into your garden? They are not only beautiful but also beneficial. With their easygoing nature and dazzling display of colors, salvias are sure to become a firm favorite in your garden for years to come, providing endless joy and beauty. Choosing the right salvia can be a joy in itself. The process of selecting the perfect bloom is an adventure filled with color and variety. With so many varieties to choose from, there's a salvia to suit every taste and garden style. Whether you prefer bold and bright or soft and subtle, there's a salvia for you. For a touch of fiery drama, consider Hot Lips. This variety is perfect for those who love a bit of flair in their garden. True to its name, this variety boasts bicolor blooms of scarlet, red, and white. The striking contrast makes it a standout in any garden. Imagine these beauties adding a dash of spice to your borders or containers. They are sure to catch the eye and add a vibrant touch to your outdoor space. If cool, calming tones are more your style, Victoria Blue might be the one for you. This variety is ideal for creating a serene and peaceful garden atmosphere. This salvia produces masses of small, deep blue flowers that create a haze of color. The effect is both soothing and visually stunning. It's perfect for adding a touch of tranquility to a sunny spot. The cool blue tones can help to create a relaxing retreat in your garden. For a touch of the tropics, look no further than black and blue. This variety brings an exotic flair to any garden setting. This striking variety features dark, almost black stems that contrast beautifully with the vibrant blue flowers. The combination is both dramatic and elegant. It's a real showstopper that's sure to turn heads. Plant it in a prominent spot where it can be admired by all. These are just a few examples of the many stunning salvias available. Each variety offers its own unique charm and beauty. Explore your local nursery or browse online catalogs to discover the perfect varieties to create your dream garden. With so many options, you're sure to find the perfect salvia to suit your style and space. Salvias are generally easygoing plants. However, understanding their basic needs ensures they thrive and reward you with abundant blooms. Most salvias prefer a sunny spot. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. However, some varieties like Maynight tolerate partial shade and can still flourish. Good drainage is crucial. Salvias dislike sitting in waterlogged soil, which can lead to root rot. If your soil is heavy clay, amend it with grit or compost to improve drainage and soil structure. When selecting salvias, consider your climate. Some, like Hot Lips, prefer warmer temperatures. Others, like Maynight, are more cold-hardy and can withstand colder conditions. Check plant labels for hardiness zones to ensure the variety you choose suits your region. Matching the right salvia to your climate and soil conditions sets the stage for healthy growth and abundant blooms. Planting salvias is a straightforward process that even beginners can master with ease. Once you've chosen the perfect spot and varieties, it's time to get your hands dirty. Salvias thrive in well-drained soil and full sun, so pick a location that meets these requirements. The best time to plant salvias is in spring, when the soil has warmed up and the risk of frost has passed. This gives them plenty of time to establish themselves before the heat of summer arrives, ensuring they grow strong and healthy. Dig a hole twice the width of the plant's root ball to give the roots ample space to spread out. Ensure the top of the root ball sits level with the surrounding soil. This helps the plant to settle in its new home. Backfill the hole with soil and gently firm it down around the base of the plant. This removes air pockets and provides stability. Water your newly planted salvia as well. Consistent moisture is key during the initial weeks. This helps settle the soil and encourages the roots to spread out, promoting robust growth. If you're planting multiple salvias, space them according to their mature size. This ensures each plant has enough room to grow. This prevents overcrowding and allows each plant to reach its full potential, resulting in a more beautiful and healthy garden. Planting salvias is as simple as that. With these steps, you're well on your way to a thriving garden. With a little care and attention, you'll soon be enjoying their vibrant blooms and attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies to your garden, enhancing its beauty and biodiversity.